You can also easily rotate out media contents inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So to do that, I need to right click over here on this particular video footage right here and then go to Edit and then click on Rotate. Once you do that, you can see that it immediately rotates out the video footage 90 degrees. Of course, you can go around and click and drag around these handles right here, but if you want to quickly rotate it to 90 degrees, then you can right click right here, then go to Edit and click on Rotate right here. And similarly, you can see that it has turned 180 degrees right here, just like this. So go around, click on Rotate and go around and click on Rotate, and it directly rotates out to 90 degrees right from over here without you having to go around onto the basic settings and go by going onto the rotate option right here. Of course, you can go around and utilize the rotation option over here as well, but you can see that you got quick rotate option over here, just like this, as you can see, which rotates out the contents 45 degrees exactly each time you select it. So that is how you can use the quick rotate option inside of CapCut Desktop Editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.